Expanded is a modular tool system designed to turn a single power base into a multi-purpose machine. By simply attaching different heads, users can switch between trimming, edging, blowing, or pruning without buying multiple tools. Built for convenience and efficiency, its quick connect mechanism ensures fast changes between attachments. Designed with durable materials and ergonomic balance, it minimizes fatigue and maximizes versatility for both homeowners and professionals. Expanded represents a smart, space-saving innovation that redefines how users approach outdoor maintenance and power tool efficiency. The RYOB drill pump transforms any power drill into a compact portable water pump. Designed with corrosion-resistant housing and precision impeller blades, it's ideal for transferring liquids such as water, coolant, or non-flammable fluids. Its simple attachment fits most standard drills, offering flow rates of up to hundreds of liters per hour, perfect for draining tanks, aquariums, or flooded areas. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to operate, the RYOBI drill pump combines convenience and reliability in one clever design that turns a common tool into a powerful pumping solution. The ArborTech All-Saw BA200X is an advanced masonry and renovation saw engineered for precision and safety. Unlike traditional grinders, its dual-blade oscillating motion minimizes dust and vibration while allowing clean, controlled cuts through brick, mortar, and stone. It's ideal for heritage restoration, renovation, and construction work where accuracy is key. Featuring a powerful motor, variable speed control, and integrated dust extraction, the All-Saw BA200X ensures professional-grade performance with minimal mess. It's a breakthrough in cutting technology designed for craftsmen who value precision and protection. The Ziraco Hammerjet is a high-performance road and surface cleaning system that uses a focused jet of heated air to remove moisture, dirt, and debris in seconds. Commonly used in road marking and asphalt preparation, it dramatically increases adhesion and drying efficiency. Powered by a compact turbine system, it delivers consistent air temperatures and flow control, ensuring uniform results. Designed for industrial and highway applications, the Hammerjet saves time, reduces costs, and enhances safety. It's a perfect blend of power and precision for modern surface maintenance. The Laser Tools Wheel Cleaner Abrasive Pad is a professional-grade solution for cleaning wheel hubs, brake discs, and other metallic surfaces. Its flexible abrasive material removes rust, paint, and corrosion without damaging the base metal. Designed to fit standard drills or rotary tools, it offers consistent performance and long-lasting durability. Perfect for mechanics, restorers, and automotive enthusiasts, this tool ensures proper surface preparation before wheel installation or painting. Laser Tools' innovative pad design turns tough cleaning jobs into fast, flawless results with minimal effort. The DeWalt deburring tool is engineered for fast and efficient edge finishing on metal, PVC, and plastic piping. Its ergonomic handle and replaceable hardened steel blade make it ideal for professionals in plumbing, electrical, and fabrication work. Designed for smooth operation, it removes sharp edges and burrs with precision, ensuring safety and a clean finish. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for on-site or workshop tasks. The DeWalt deburring tool exemplifies the brand's commitment to durability, comfort, and performance in every detail. The Hilti Neuron VC4X22 is a state-of-the-art cordless vacuum system built for job site dust management. Powered by Hilti's new Neuron battery platform, it delivers powerful suction with compact portability. Designed for compatibility with Hilti's cordless tools, it captures fine dust directly at the source, maintaining clean, safe work environments. Its brushless motor, smart connectivity, and automatic filter cleaning system ensure consistent long-term performance. Compact yet robust, the VC4X22 is a perfect companion for professionals demanding mobility, power, and health-focused innovation in one device. Ringo is a smart, portable ironing and steaming device that redefines garment care on the go. Compact enough to fit in a bag, it combines heat, steam, and vibration technology to remove wrinkles quickly without an ironing board. Designed for travel and professional use, it heats up in seconds and works on a wide range of fabrics. Its ergonomic shape allows vertical and horizontal use, offering flexibility for every situation. Ringo is the future of fabric care, efficient, modern, and made for those who value time and style. The Laser Tools Pickup Tool is a precision, magnetic, and extendable tool designed to retrieve small metal parts from hard-to-reach places. Featuring a flexible shaft and LED illumination, it provides visibility and control in tight spaces like engine bays or machinery compartments. The strong magnet ensures secure retrieval of bolts, screws, and nuts, minimizing downtime during repairs. Built from durable materials, it's both lightweight and reliable. A must-have for mechanics and engineers, this tool transforms frustration into effortless efficiency. The Slabathor is an advanced concrete lifting and leveling system engineered for precision construction work. Using pneumatic or hydraulic technology, it lifts and stabilizes heavy slabs without major excavation. Ideal for industrial floors, roads, or foundations, it ensures accurate leveling while minimizing downtime. Designed for portability and operator safety, it combines high lifting capacity with pinpoint control. The Slabathor demonstrates how modern engineering can simplify traditionally complex tasks, providing strength, accuracy, and durability for heavy construction professionals. The Jonard KN300INS is an insulated cable cutter designed for electrical and telecommunications professionals. Rated for up to 1,000 volts, it ensures maximum safety during live electrical work. Its precision-hardened blades provide clean, smooth cuts through copper, aluminum, and communication cables. The ergonomic handle design reduces fatigue and enhances grip for all-day use. Built to ANSI and ASTM standards, the KN300INS represents Jonard's dedication to craftsmanship and safety, a reliable tool trusted by professionals who work where precision and protection matter most. The Leister Uniplan 510 is a high-performance automatic welder designed for industrial fabric and plastic applications. With adjustable speed, airflow, and temperature, it delivers consistent, flawless welds across banners, tarpaulins, and membranes. Its intelligent digital control system ensures precise settings and easy operation. Built for durability and continuous use, the Uniplan 510 integrates modern automation with Swiss precision engineering. Ideal for large-scale manufacturing and on-site installations, it stands as a symbol of innovation, efficiency, and reliability in the world of professional plastic welding. The Works WX 392 is a versatile 3-in-1 rotary hammer drill designed for drilling, hammering, and chiseling in masonry, concrete, and steel. Compact yet powerful, it features an SDS Plus chuck for quick bit changes and consistent power delivery. Its ergonomic design and vibration-dampening handle ensure comfort during prolonged use. Powered by Works' 20 volts battery system, it combines portability with professional-grade performance. The WX392 offers the perfect balance between strength and control, a dependable partner for construction, renovation, and precision work. The Malco Bender is a precision hand tool used for bending metal, aluminum, and vinyl materials in roofing, HVAC, and sheet metal fabrication. Featuring adjustable depth guides and a comfortable grip, it delivers clean, repeatable bends with minimal effort. Built from high-grade steel for long-term durability, it's trusted by professionals for fieldwork and shop applications alike. The Malco Bender's precision engineering ensures accuracy and consistency, turning complex shaping tasks into smooth, efficient operations. It's a timeless tool for craftsmen who demand quality and precision. The Hilti P3D800 is an advanced 3D concrete scanner that allows professionals to see inside structures before drilling or cutting. Using radar technology and digital imaging, it detects rebar, pipes, and voids with extreme accuracy. The high-resolution display provides real-time visualization, preventing costly damage and improving site safety. Compact, battery-powered, and easy to operate, the P3D800 represents a leap forward in construction diagnostics. It turns invisible risks into clear information, a must-have for engineers, builders, and inspection teams worldwide. FastCheck is an intelligent electronic inspection device designed for rapid, non-destructive testing of material quality, thickness, and integrity. Equipped with advanced sensors and a digital display, it provides instant data feedback in industrial, automotive, or engineering applications. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it ideal for both field and lab environments. By combining speed, accuracy, and portability, Fast Check helps professionals ensure quality and compliance efficiently. It's a perfect example of how modern measurement tools empower smarter decision-making and higher standards of precision. The Makita LXT DCU601 is a powerful cordless motorized wheelbarrow designed to transport heavy loads effortlessly across job sites. Powered by Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system, it delivers smooth acceleration, variable speed control, and exceptional torque. Its rugged frame supports up to 130 kilograms, with forward and reverse modes for easy maneuvering. Ideal for construction, landscaping, and agriculture, it reduces physical strain and boosts productivity. The DCU601 redefines manual transport, combining electric innovation, durability, and user comfort in one robust machine. The Makita cordless breaker brings powerful demolition capability without the limits of cords or fuel. Using brushless motor technology and dual 18-volt LXT batteries, it delivers impact energy comparable to corded models while maintaining full portability. Designed for concrete and masonry demolition, it features vibration control, variable speed, and anti-slip handles for operator comfort. Built for demanding environments, it combines high power output with the convenience of cordless freedom. Makita's cordless breaker represents a new era of mobility and performance in heavy-duty demolition. The James Way Tool Slitter is a precision cutting device used for slicing insulation, foam, or layered materials with unmatched accuracy. Featuring an adjustable guide and razor-sharp blades, it ensures clean, repeatable cuts in industrial and construction applications. Built from durable, lightweight materials, it's designed for speed and precision in professional environments. Whether in HVAC fabrication or material processing, the slitter enhances productivity and finish quality. It's a simple yet powerful innovation that streamlines complex cutting tasks with absolute precision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.